Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today we are going to be making some French pedicure using mint. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So you can see my toenails over here, they've been ignored during the winter and is ready to get some care. So I'll just come in with my clippers and just cut off any excess length. Next, I'll come in with my electric file. I'll file the surface and the edges. I'll also file the cuticle area. I'll come in with a dehydrator to get rid of any excess dust and oils that might be on the nails. I'll get my cuticle pen and kind of open up my cuticles a little bit. I'll be pushing them back, both the sides and the lower part. I'll come in with my Model 1's base coat and just give my nails one coat each. Afterwards, I'll just cure them in the UV light for about 60 seconds. I'll be using some fake nails and I'll be using my base coat as glue. So I'll get my fake nail and come in with a little bit of my base coat. Then I'll push it onto my natural nail. I'll push it into the cuticle area to give it that very natural look. Afterwards, I'll just cure it for about 5 to 10 seconds in the UV light just to secure it in place. After I'm done, I'll just go ahead and cure them for 60 seconds more. I'll come in with my clippers and just cut off any excess length. Obviously, nobody wants super long toenails. I'll get my file, I'll file the surface, the edges, and shape it up a little bit. Now I'll be using this nude polygel I got from AliExpress. This is in the color soft pink. I'll just get a little bit with my brush and put them on my nails. You know, I'll shape it up very well. I don't need so much, just a little bit to thicken up the nails. After working on every nail, I'll cure it for about 5 seconds just to secure the polygel in place and prevent it from overflowing. After I'm done, I'll go ahead and cure them for 60 more seconds. So they've been all cured now. I'll just come in with my file to just shape it up, try to perfect it a little bit. So as I said, I'll be doing some mint French nails. So I've got here my mint nail polish. I'll get my silicone stamp and come in with a little bit of my mint nail polish. Then I'll push the tip of my nails into the polish to just transfer a little bit of the mint on the tip of my nails. So obviously I will go ahead and clean off any excess polish that might be on my skin using a polish remover. Finally, I'll seal them up with a top coat, and this is a glossy one. Just go ahead and come in with some cuticle oil. So here we are. I must say I'm loving the mint color combined with the nude polygel. So here we are, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. And if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.